Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. I'm greeting you based on now that you are coming across this video. Trust me, it's not a coincidence. Alright, here it is almost 12 a.m. Yeah, very close to midnight. But I cannot sleep because I've got a hunger in me. Yeah, there is a hunger that is going on within me, and that's hunger is the reason I'm on the microphone by now. Yes, I want to ask. But this question I'm about to ask, I guess, in my own honest opinion, I think the best answers will be coming from mothers or pregnant women, or people who have ever been pregnant. Yeah, people who have ever been pregnant. I think it is people of your category that the best answers to this question should be coming from. How do you feel when you are in labor? How do you feel? Gentlemen, ladies of influence, how do you feel when you are in labor? A woman who is in labor for 3 days, trust me, she's awake for 3 days. Maybe that's why this philosopher said that a dream is not what you see when you are asleep. He said, but a dream is the thing that robs you of your sleep. Yes, a dream is that reason why you cannot sleep. A dream, according to this philosopher, is that thing that steals your sleep from you. That thing that comes to hijack your sleep. That's your dream. Yeah, that's what's going on in me right now. That's why I cannot sleep till 12 a.m. I have to get up. If you look closely, you might be able to observe that I'm in my bedroom. Yeah, I'm sitting on my bed right now. But I cannot sleep because there's a hunger within. Yes, there's a hunger within. The hunger that brings differences in people's lives. The hunger that makes the difference between me and the next person and my next door neighbor. Yes, the hunger. So in this context, it is my dream that's the reason I cannot sleep. Yeah, but somebody else will call this work. Yeah, there's a difference between your job and your work. Your job is what you get paid to do. Yeah, you get paid to do your job, but your work, no one pays you for your work. Of course, if there's any monetary reward, that would be fantastic. But on the normal, even if you would have to do it free of charge, you wouldn't mind. That's your work. Yeah, your work is that thing that can actually rob you of your sleep. Your work is that thing that you are born to do. Yes, your job is what you do at financial cost. Yeah, you get paid for your job, but your work, your reward comes from within, from deep down within. There's a very terribly high level of satisfaction, yes, that you get when you do your work, when you do what is in you, when you manifest your talent, when you manifest what you have been craving after. Yeah, when you manifest what is in you, that's your work. There's a great level of satisfaction that you get by doing that. Yeah. So now let me ask you, gentlemen and ladies of influence, has there ever been anything that robs you of your sleep? Has there ever been anything that steals your sleep from your eyes? Has there ever been anything that makes you feel like you are not living the best kind of life that you are designed to live? Has there ever been an instinct that whispers to you that makes you feel that you are not really manifesting your purpose of being alive? Has there ever been such an instinct? Do you have this still silent voice, this calm smooth voice that whispers to your hearing, that makes you feel that you are not there yet, that makes you feel that no, you haven't done enough, you should be doing much more, you should be manifesting much more than you currently are doing? So gentlemen, ladies of influence, I'm asking you, has this kind of instinct ever robbed you of your sleep? Has this kind of instinct, this kind of feeling ever robbed you of your joy? Has this kind of feeling ever robbed you of your peace of mind? If your answer is yes, quickly, without wasting time, rush back and start doing your work. Yes, pay more attention to your work if you want to have a fulfilled life. Begin to fight for it. So I'm asking you to go after it now as if your life depends on it. Why? Because your life truly depends on it. Yes, your life depends upon that. Your happiness depends on that. Trust me. Yes, what I'm doing right now, my happiness depends on this. And trust me, after this video I can tell you that I'm going to sleep like a slumped. I will be able to sleep, man. I will be able to sleep, man. Sleep very well, deeply, like a slumped. I'm going to sleep like I wasn't awake last night. So, gentlemen, I'm asking you, please, with your highest level of energy, go after that thing that has stolen your peace of mind, so that you can restore and recover your peace of mind. Yes. A songwriter said, it's lonely at the top. I can tell you that's pure truth. It's truly lonely up here in cloud 10, where breakthroughs happen every day. Yes, where excitement happens every day. Yes, the only elevator that has the potency to deliver you to cloud 10, where breakthroughs happen every day, where you're going to experience a different kind and level of peace of mind, a different level of joy of life. Do you understand? Your only elevator to bring you here to the top, to cloud 10, is that still calm voice. Go after him now and listen to him and make him your instructor, make him your commander. Yes, stop snoozing so you stop losing. If you snooze, you lose. Yes, if you snooze, you lose. But the day you choose to stop snoozing, that day, yes, you stop losing. That day you begin to have a warm handshake with your breakthrough. Gentlemen, what are you waiting for? Do what you can, where you are, with what you have, and never be satisfied. That's the way forward. That's the way forward. Do what you can, where you are, with what you have. That's the way forward. And this is your superstar, Mr. Fruitful Motivations. I'm your one and only young, vibrant motivator in Nigeria. So please, fams, do well to like and share this video. Thank you. Peace out.